Hello, my golden diamonds. I hope all is well. The boys were in the house playing with their friends. Oh, in Jesus' name. Goodness. Hold on. Okay, playing with their friends, Nintendo Switch, having snacks. I said, you needed to tell me where you were. Well, we thought we did. We thought you did. We did. So, yeah. So that it was like a whole like 20 minutes of me calling them, trying to find out where they were. I called Zion's phone like so many times. A lot. So finally, I'm like, okay, if they're not at this Dunkin' Donuts, I'm not gonna put a lot, probably just this is probably 1/4 cup. Excuse me, yeah, that's probably like 1/4 cup. I was like, if they're not at Dunkin' Donuts or at the shop, then I'm gonna have to call the authority, them boys, because yeah, like with kids, you just don't want to wait too. 20 minutes is a long time for me. But you don't want to wait like a full like 30 minutes, and no, like I went circled around, all up and down, calling their names. Usually they'll be like, "Oh, we're right here," and I'm like, "You didn't say anything," and I'm like, "Don't you ever do that again." They were like, "Okay." So guys, this is like the rosemary mint oil, and I wanted to make it, but I added mint and the rosemary leaves. And I got it Saturday, and I'm just like, oops. But it's good, though. I smelled it. It smells so strong. So that's 50. This smells so good. This is the lemon eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. This is what I use in my hair growth oil. Usually, I don't have like a, what do you call it? There we go. Because you want it to be submerged in. I mean, it smells so good. I could have just shook the jar. Right now they're outside playing, and yeah. Oops, we'll shake this up. Usually, I'm not gonna put it on the stove to. I need to get some mason jar tops. I'm not gonna put it on the stove to, have it marinate. I'm gonna have it just sit for a couple weeks and let it do its thing. So this is the color of it, and it'll be darker than this. And I love making my oils this way instead of like on the stove. This way it just marinates, and just all the herbs pull, all the nutrients from the herbs. It just, does its thing. I'm usually I like to do it like the solar way too. Just letting it like sit in the sun and have the sun pull all the nutrients out. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Let it sit in the sun for a couple hours, because I wonder if you let it sit in the sun for a couple hours, like how many, I'll research that, like how long you should let it sit in the sun for you to use it. But usually I let any herbs, any hair oil I make, I always do it like this. Always let it sit for like 60 to 90 days. I'll let this sit for like, I don't know, 45 days maybe. I want to use it now, but that's all right. We're gonna let this sit, let it do its thing. I'll probably put it like, they say you're supposed to put it in like a dark, cool place, so that's what I'll do. I'll set this up. You guys! Yeah. Oh my gosh! Why? It's spilled. Hold on, guys. Let me clean this up.
Okay, guys. Take two. Gee, well, at least it's, some pit oil in there. But I wanted the majority of the pit oil. That's all right. At least the herbs are in there. No, busy. Oh, my goodness. Basil. I only have a little of this in here. Wow. Just the rest of the castor oil. The reminder of the castor oil. Okay. Just a little, not a lot. Just a sprinkle. That's it. Let's see what wet I have of the hemp oil. Okie dokie. It like soap.
All on the floor. Ooh, so pretty. No. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit. Where am I gonna put it? All right, guys. So I probably should have added basil oil, but because I have to put this stuff in the trash. Where's the top? That's okay. It'll still be good. This is trash. That's it, guys. Why did I do that? That's okay. I'm trying to get my straw. Let me get another straw. Okay, so I want to do like a mini, show you a haul. It's this brand called Kinder Beauty. And this is like their, I wanted to treat myself, so I kind of figured, let's see what it's called. They have two boxes. It's the Kinder Beauty, and then it's the Kind Beauty box. Makeup, not eyelashes, makeup, mascara, blush, hair stuff, body oil, body cream, but everything's like vegan. So this is the Kinder Beauty box, and so let's see what's in here. And I'm not gonna be. I got the Kind Beauty box once, and probably won't do it again because it's like now they're doing it like I forget that brand. It's a brand that does a box. I think it's like, I forget. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen. But they're starting to do it similar where they're not really giving out as much like beauty products. This is how their brochure looks, and it tells you like different stuff. Let's see. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, I think this is the box that's doing that. So I will not be redoing this whole Kinder Beauty box thing, yeah. Because it's just, I want the beauty box. I don't want like food and stuff to put in the water. I don't want that. So this is the water drop. There's different flavors. You have Zen on the, see? These are different flavors. Zen, Youth, Love, Glow, Focus, and Boost. This is how it looks. It says drink more water, power up. Excuse the mess in the background. And I may have to mute this because they are playing music, the boys. I'll just put this here. This is the Clear Zinc sunscreen. SPF 30. Okay, good. Because sometimes they don't come with like the safety seal on it. Let's see. Where am I? I'll put it here. I'm trying to figure out where to put this. So this is date syrup. This is what's in the box. Why is it leaking? Is the premium tahini roasted and ground sesame seeds. Okay, guys, I had to delete some things, so let me hurry up. I had to post and delete. So it came with a cup or insulated little, originally $34. Change comes in waves. I don't know what the brand is. United by Blue. Super cute. See, I wouldn't have ordered that if I knew, you know. And then like a little silicone thing to like, I guess, I probably would make like deep conditioners, but you can make anything, I guess. Okay, y'all. And it came with this little baggy thing, storage bag silicone, and this here. Daily Concepts Daily Leaf silicone scrubber. So I guess you could put it in your shower. I wouldn't do that though. I'm just a germphobe, so I don't want anything like I probably, put this in like the foot soaker thing. That's what I would do. But it's super cute. That is it, guys. I think I grabbed without anything like, because they have like Tuesday treat yourself where everything is either like $5 or $6 beauty items. So I grabbed this bombshell here, multi-masking beauty balm. Melts into skin, removing makeup, excess oil, and other impurities. Then I grabbed this here, Collective Laboratories Revive Active Serum, Ginseng, and Biotin for the scalp. And then I got this here for my face because I'm like, it's starting to clear up. This is what I use, this pigment clear. But I got this here, high potency retinol serum, hyaluronic complex, 2.5% retinol, niacinamide, hyaluronic complex. So let's see, because I'm literally ready to like bleach my skin. Sorry. Not bleach it to like make my skin lighter, but just like to make it even, you know, from that mask and just, so yeah. So yeah, guys, that is it. Boys are getting ready for bed. I'm gonna go ahead and have a salad. They're gonna have a salad with some eggs, and I will see